Bedtime. Yeah, that's right. I'm coming for you too. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Guys are like hungry. Go eat. I'm putting you to bed in like half an hour. Go, go, go! Destroying your toy. Is everyone behaving? Are you behaving? Are you behaving? No, you're not behaving. No, 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 no. Monster Lily. Are you behaving, Kiwi? Huh? Hmm? 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 Huh? Hmm? Hmm? Kiwi? Are you behaving? Hey? Hello? Kiwi? Hello? Kiwi? Hello? Ball. Okay. Behaving. Behaving. Watching you. Watching you. That's right. Behave. Hey, Richie. Hmm? Hmm? You okay, Kiwi? Well, a little weirdo. Hello? Kiwi? What are you doing? Hey. Hey.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Hey.
Huh?
Yeah. Kiwi.
Huh?
It's you I'm talking to. Yeah. Hey. Kiwi. Kiwi. Hey. What are you doing?
Huh?
Yeah. Every time I whistle, she'll pin her eye. There she goes. Pin. Pin. Pins again. It's like the funniest thing. It's like a sound wave when you get it recorded, and every time there's like a sound, you hear like, you see a little wave. That's her eyes. Will you do it for me? I don't think you will. No, you won't do it. Girls, you were hungry, huh? That's why you were all squawking. Still eating, huh?